and welcome. This is my Journey's final project by me. Alright, so first let's talk about my academic goal. So my academic goal was to get an A or A+ in all my subjects this year. For modifications, the only modifications I have was that there were a few quizzes and tests that I got B's in, but I still think I'm on track to be able to achieve full A's in every single class by the end of this year. My progress, I was able to use every single day efficiently in order to complete my goal. I also improved in many subjects because I took notes on a lot of lessons. For example, if there was some kind of writing technique that we were learning about in English, I would make sure to take notes on it and improve. Currently right now, I have full A's in all of my classes. There's only 1 month until the end of school, so hopefully if I get a good grade on the finals, I should be able to complete my goal. My social goal. My social goal was to join the chess club and to be active in it every single day. The only modifications I have is that because the chess club only has meetings once every single week on Friday, it was pretty difficult to be active every single day, but I still made sure to interact with others as much as I could. My progress, I would always make sure to check if there were any messages that I was missing on the group chat, because we have a group chat that all the chess members were in. I also try to start conversations with all the other members, and I practice my chess daily to improve my skills. So currently right now, I've been in the chess club for about a year now, and I've talked to many of its members. I actually made a few friends there, and I improved my skills a lot. So I would say I have completed this goal. Next up is my emotional goal. My emotional goal was to eliminate any stress which I have when I take tests or quizzes. Now modifications, I don't really have any modifications to this goal. I think it's a really good goal, and hopefully by the end of this year I will have achieved it. Considering my progress, when I first started taking exams and tests, especially because they were all online tests, I would actually have a lot of stress. But throughout the different months, I started getting used to the sensation of taking tests. I always made sure to calm myself down before a test started, and I always made sure to be ready by taking notes in all my subjects. Currently, if I took a test right now, I would feel very little, if not none, stress. I would also remind myself that all the content which I'm taking, I have already gone over, and I know it, and I have memorized it, so there is no point in getting stressed. Now, the GWUOHS community values. So the mission of George Washington University Online High School is to educate and inspire academically talented and motivated students who seek membership in a school community that values and cultivates hard work, integrity, appreciation of diversity, love of learning, compassion, and high personal expectations. So all of my goals relate to these values. This is because my academic goal shows a love of learning and hard work, because if I want to get full A's in class, in all my classes, I have to have that. My social goal shows compassion with other students and integrity in order to improve my chess skills. And of course, my emotional goal shows high personal expectations because I need to expect myself to be ready for any exam if I want to make sure I have no stress about it. All right, thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.